Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hope you're having a great day. Today I have another oil pastel painting. It's been hard to switch off of oil pastels. I tend to jump around between different media, but yeah, oil pastels are just one of those things that are very painterly and quick to do. They don't make a ton of mess. You just need a baby wipe. I've got my favorites here, my Mungios, as well as the newest Paul Rubens, which are very creamy and buttery. And today I'm making on this black Arteza paper a sort of like a mirror on the wall sort of concept, this ornate old mirror that I've used with different browns and things. And instead of seeing my mug in the mirror, I thought, oh, what if you looked into the mirror, almost like Wonderland, and you sort of look through and see another world in there, maybe a meadow with some flowers. And that was kind of the concept that I was going for here. And I like how it turned out. I think I'm going to try some more of these different shaped mirrors. So I kind of used some different browns and things instead of the gold. And then touching up with a little bit of colored pencil. So again, you could put whatever inside the mirror. I just decided to put this sort of field of flowers on a sort of sunny day, and just highlighting with lots of colors. The key is layering, and I like to do sort of the smudging in the background there. And yeah, I mean, just touching up with some colored pencils and some things, adding some little textural dots there with my white at the end. Don't forget to check out those links below and hit like and subscribe. Do you use oil pastels? I'd love to know. What are your favorite brands? What do you like to paint with them? Thanks so much, guys, for joining me, and I hope you have a super great day.